In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer. The Creality K1 3D printer is a high-performance FDM printer designed for versatility and ease of use, boasting CE certification. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and compact dimensions of 355 by 355 by 480 mm, it weighs 12.5 kg net and 16 kg gross. The printer can achieve impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second, with an acceleration of 20,000 mm² and a printing accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 mm. It features a dual-gear direct drive extruder compatible with a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, and supports a nozzle temperature of up to 300 degrees Celsius. Advanced features include hands-free auto leveling, a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, power loss recovery, and a filament runout sensor. The K1 supports multiple file transfer options and is compatible with various slicing software, allowing for G-code file formats. Its robust design is complemented by UI language support in several languages and options for AI camera and LiDAR integration, making it a suitable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. Creality Ender 5S1 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 5S1 3D printer is a versatile and efficient machine, designed to enhance the 3D printing experience with upgraded features. It employs fused deposition modeling, FDM, technology and offers a spacious build volume of 220 by 220 by 280 mm, capable of printing at speeds up to 250 mm per second, with a maximum acceleration of 2000 mm². It significantly boosts productivity while maintaining high precision within plus or minus 0.01 mm. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, and more, and is equipped with a dual-gear direct drive extruder for flexible filament handling. Key features include automatic bed leveling via CR Touch, a 4.3-inch color touch screen for user-friendly navigation, and advanced print recovery options. The hot end is designed to reach up to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling the use of high-temperature filaments, and it is powered with a rated power of 350 W, compatible with voltages from 110V to 220V. The Ender 5S1 combines efficiency, functionality, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users in the realm of 3D printing. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3KE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3KE is a versatile 3D printer designed for high-speed performance, boasting a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second and utilizing fused deposition modeling, FDM, technology. It offers an impressive build volume of 220 by 220 by 240 mm, suitable for a variety of projects, and operates seamlessly across multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The printer features a user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen and supports various file formats such as STL, OBJ, 3MF, and AMF. Designed with a 32-bit silent mainboard, the Ender 3v3KE also includes advanced functionalities like hands-free auto leveling, power loss recovery, and a filament runout sensor. Capable of reaching nozzle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius and heat bed temperatures below 100 degrees Celsius, this machine is compatible with a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA. With its robust design and extensive features, the Creality Ender 3v3KE combines efficiency and reliability for both novice and experienced users in the realm of 3D printing. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 FDM 3D Printer. The Ender 3D printer is a versatile machine designed for precision modeling with a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and a maximum printing speed of 200 mm per s, although it operates at a standard speed of 80 mm per s. With a maximum print size of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, it accommodates various filaments including PLA, ABS, copper, wood, carbon fiber, and gradient materials, all while ensuring a precision of 0.01 mm. The printer operates at a bed temperature of 110 degrees Celsius and requires a power supply of 350 W, functioning within a voltage range of 110-220 V. Although it lacks auto-leveling capabilities, it supports popular slicing software such as Cura and Repetier-Host, utilizing file formats like STL, OBJ, and G-code. Other notable features include CE certification and compatibility with nozzle diameters of 0.4 mm, with custom options of 0.3 or 0.2 mm, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals in 3D printing. Number 5. CREALITY K1C 3D Printer. The CREALITY K1C is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for efficiency and versatility, capable of printing at speeds up to 600 mm per second while maintaining precise accuracy of 100 plus or minus 0.1 mm. It features a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and is compatible with a variety of filaments, including advanced carbon fiber composites, thanks to its all-metal direct drive extruder and tri-metal nozzle that can reach temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius. Notable features include hands-free auto-leveling, a built-in AI camera for monitoring and time-lapse recording, an advanced cooling system to ensure high-quality prints, and a built-in air purifier that improves the printing environment. The printer supports multiple slicing software options and is equipped with a user-friendly touch screen interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. With an emphasis on stability and ease of use, the K1C is pre-assembled for quick plug-and-play operation, enhancing the overall user experience while delivering exceptional printing capabilities.